All right, this is 2018 Leaf Metal Draft Football. 5 autographs per box. We're doing a 1-box break, 2 random last name letters per spot. Also got a little stack of bonus cards, rookies, and some autographs there. We'll throw in on the break. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left, starting from Trade Wins down to Ryan S. We'll copy all those names and bring you guys on over to random.org. Paste everybody in twice to get 2 last name letters per spot. And as always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th, and final time. Good luck. 9. 9 times. Ryan S. up top. Keith B. is down bottom. Copy all those names. And let's bring it over to that last name letter spreadsheet. And here we go. So we got letter A down to W. Paste everybody in. Make those names a little bigger for you. Alright, so these are your last name letters for the 2018 Leaf Metal Draft Football. Thanks again, everybody, for getting in on this one. Appreciate it. And good luck. Alright, so first up, bonus card we got going out. Letter L. That's for Jerry D. There you go, Jerry D. Marlon Lucky, rookie auto from the Hit Football. And running back, pretty sure he's with the Colts. And then we got a dual Nick Chubb and Bradley Chubb, both for the letter C, going out to Michael A.Z. Nick Chubb and Bradley Chubb, rookies. And this one is letter J, going out to Trade Wins, Chris Johnson, Titans rookie. Star rookie upper deck. It was from 08. Yeah, 2008 upper deck. And a Prestige 2014 rookie Jeremy Hill, going out to letter H, Jerry D. Jeremy Hill bonus. So a few bonus cards. Let's get into the Leaf Metal Draft. 5 autos per box. Good luck, everybody. All right, here we go. All right, 2018 Leaf Metal Draft Football. Here we go. Good luck, guys. First up, we got a Wave auto. This one is, like I said, they're all on card, which is nice. Adjust that lighting there. Ralph Webb. Ralph Webb, rookie autograph. W going out to Keith B. Wow. There you go. Ralph Webb. W going out to Keith B. Number 2 is nice running back. Another Wave variation. Touchdown Kings. Letter P, Rashad Penny. Letter P going out to Jerry D. There you go, Jerry D. Rashad Penny, rookie auto, Touchdown Kings, on card Wave variation. And number 3, Notre Dame, Durham Smith, letter S, going out to Jerry D. There you go, Jerry. Durham Smith, Notre Dame, rookie tight end. I'm assuming his name is Smith. Letter S going out to Jerry D. Next up is this Dice Purple again. Oh, DJ Shark, letter C. And another guy, Letter C going out to Michael AZ. There you go. State Pride DJ Shark. What's up, Mike? Purple State Pride variation DJ Shark. Letter C going out to Michael A. There you go, brother. Purple State Pride. I don't know why he signed it sideways. That's kind of weird. That's a first. He signed it like sideways, but it's over here, buddy. Not up there. State Pride Purple and bang. 4 out of 15. DJ Shark Purple State Pride. Rookie on card auto. Very nice. And last up is another nice one. Running back for letter G, Ryan S. There you go, Ryan S. Darius Geis, State Pride. That's how you're supposed to sign the State Pride. Not like that. Right there in that box. This guy didn't get the message. Letter G, Darius Geis. That's a nice one. Rookie running back for Redskins drafted him in the second round. G going out to Ryan S. There you go, Yankees. Darius Geis. So, all right, thanks again, guys, for getting in. I'll give you a quick recap. State Pride, Darius Geis, letter G. DJ Shark, letter C. Purple State Pride variation, number 215. 4 out of 15. Durham Smith, letter S. Base. Touchdown Kings wave variation. Rashad Penny, letter P. That's the wave variation. And we also got the base variation wave Ralph Webb, W. Going out to Keith B. And then those bonus cards. H, Jeremy Hill, get the bonus rookie. Chris Johnson, letter J, got the bonus upper deck rookie. Nick Chubb and Bradley Chubb, letter C and C. Got that. And then the bonus auto, Marlon Lucky, letter L. All right, thanks again, guys, for getting in on the Leaf Metal Draft Football. Appreciate it. It's Bambino. We are on to the next route.